Hello everyone, welcome to my YouTube channel Free Excel Gyan and my name is Shishir Gupta. This is my first YouTube video and yes, I am so nervous while making this. In my first video, I am going to teach you about a very useful formula, index match, with a very simple example. Index match can be used for various purposes and it fits almost everywhere whenever there is a huge database. This formula is like finding a needle from a sack of husk. Also, unlike VLOOKUP, index match can help you find your answers horizontally or vertically without having any barriers. Let's find out how. So here I have taken a small data where we have department and unit wise employees along with how much revenue they have earned for the company with profits. We have an employee name in I2 cell and I want to find out in which department she is working. Firstly, I want to show you if I use VLOOKUP formula, will it be able to give me the right answer? So let's find out. As per the formula, I am taking the lookup value from I2 cell and selecting the range to find the output we need. But you can see it is giving me an error as VLOOKUP cannot find value backward. But if I try this formula to find the values in forward columns, then we can get our answers. Let me show you how. That is why we will be learning index match and we'll see is it really better than the VLOOKUP formula. I have already created a list of employees in I2 cell with drop down menu with data validation. If you want to learn how I did this, please let me know in the comment box. Now let's try the formula to find the department of the employee. To learn any formula, we have to analyze its syntax first. So in index formula, you can see the first syntax is the array. Array is that range where our answer does lies. For example, we need to find out the department of the employee, so our array should be the department column only, as we need to find out whether the employee is working in the sales department, marketing department or the corporate alliance department. The second thing that we need is the row number. In our case, the employee Deepika lies in the second row. So here we want the row number 2. To find that, we are using the match formula, and the syntax of the match formula is lookup value and lookup range. Our lookup range is column C where we have all the employees, so let's select that, and obviously we want the exact match. Did you see how easy it is and surely much better than the VLOOKUP formula? The only thing you need is to try it yourself again and again to get used to of index match function, and I can guarantee you will never use VLOOKUP again in your life. Similarly, you can apply it to the remaining fields also. I am fast forwarding it to cut short the video. Here I have a bonus tip on how to use index match function more effectively. In this example we have not used the column number, and by using it you can do your task more easily and fast. Now we are using the same index match function but with a different approach. Now we are selecting the whole range for the array and make the formula to do our task of changing formula multiple times for different fields. You just have to do a little tweak in the formula. Select the whole range from A1 to E12. In the match formula for row number, it is same as before. Select the lookup value and then the lookup range in which the lookup value lies. In the column number, we again use the match function and select cell containing department word, that is G3 cell. and then select the headers as lookup range. And now it is done. Now just drag the formula up to profit row and you will get all your answers. It seems like magic, right? If you want to learn more new formulas or understand some complex functions of Excel, please write it in the comment section. Please subscribe to the channel for more new videos, share this with your friends and colleagues, and do hit the like button. Thank you so much.